Hi all, and welcome to today's episode of Driven by Detailers. Today we're working with a 2020 Velar that has some swirls and scratches in the painted surface. We're going to go ahead and use our compound Cut Boss and our polished top gloss. Let's get started. Here are the tools you'll need to start. Keep in mind that this is after the car has been washed and clayed to remove any fallout. We're starting with a clean, dry surface in the shade. You'll need 5 to 10 clean microfiber towels of your choice. The softer the better. Remember, no tags on the towels. If so, go ahead and rip those off. A DA or dual action polisher of your choice. The pads we have specified for each product, also listed on our bottle. A light to thoroughly inspect the surface for scratches. Our Cut Boss. As a professional, we like to take our paint thickness gauge before doing anything with the car to confirm what we are working with. Remember, we're taking our compound and essentially shaving off a small portion of the clear coat. Picture the painted surface under a microscope. It looks like hills and valleys. We're evening out those hills and valleys and creating a more even surface, which translates to more surface refraction. The bottom line is you get a shinier surface when looking at the car. Whether you need both steps or just the finishing step, it will be determined by your painted surface. A few minor scratches you can usually skip to our top gloss with the foam pad. Our top gloss also has some cutting abilities. It cuts to a gloss. Meanwhile, our Cut Boss helps to remove P1000 sanding marks while cutting to a gloss. For even more intense scratches in the clear coat, you can level up our Cut Boss by pairing it with a hybrid wool pad. We're going to start with our Cut Boss and then move to our top gloss as the last step. Always shake well before using. Abrasives are heavier than the water formula, so shaking the bottle, you'll get all these abrasives thoroughly remixed. Once you've done that, go ahead and prime your pad. Once your pad is primed, add a couple small drops of product onto the foam pad and working in a small 2 foot by 2 foot area, start at lower speed and then evenly spread the product. Slowly pass the work area utilizing a crosshatch pattern. Once you've completed the first pass, speed up the machine using light pressure and faster movements. Use several short cycles to complete the 2 foot by 2 foot area. Wipe off using a clean microfiber towel and inspect the area. If needed, repeat the previous steps until your desired finish is achieved. Next, we're going to move on to the top gloss polishing compound and follow the same steps as before. Let's go ahead and shake the bottle first, just like we did before. Go ahead and prime your pad, and once the pad is primed, add a couple small drops of product for that 2 foot by 2 foot area you'll be working with. Turn on your DA polisher at about 2000 RPM for 20 seconds. Go ahead and slowly pass through that area utilizing the crosshatch pattern. Once you've completed the first pass, let's speed up the DA machine to 4000 RPM. Use light pressure, faster movements for about 120 seconds. Once you've completed that, go ahead and wipe off the area with a clean microfiber towel and inspect if it's at your desired correctness. Go ahead and finish buffing that area to a shine with your microfiber towel. Once these steps are complete, the car will be ready to be prepped for a ceramic coating or a spray detailer like our Instant Hero. Alright, so just to recap, on our Cut Boss we used our gray foam pad, and our top gloss we used our white foam pad. And if you guys have any more questions or need more information, please contact us. We'll see you on the next episode.